Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Pinterest feed. So let's jump into it. First, go to the Pinterest official website and make sure you are signed into your account. Now click on the little arrow in the top right corner and select Settings. Then click on Tune your home feed. Here, you will see all the pins you have interacted with. Simply turn off all the ones you no longer want to influence your feed. Now go back to your home feed and you will see that it has been completely reset. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.